Lavinia, Mrs. Lavinia, sa mga graduates, at sa kanyang mga pamilya na nandito. Alam ko ninyo, pupunta ako dito, napansin ko, napakaganda ng araw. Maliwanag ang sikat ng araw, napasarap ng simoy ng hangin. Parang special yan tayo ng araw nito. Special pala talaga. Dahil ang okasyon na ito ay special para sa inyo, di ba? Kami mo sa Philippine Consulate ay lubos na nagkakala na nakikita kayo ngayon nag-graduate. Alam namin ang hirap na dinanas ninyo, ang efforts na binigay ninyo para sa kurso na ito. Tinutukan ninyo mabuti ang lahat ng sessions ng LSP9 at sa LSP5, ginawa nilang lahat na i-expect sa kanila. Natutuwa kami sa inyong efforts. Kasama po ang polo sa paghatid sa inyo ng aming pasasalamat sa binigay ninyong oras, dedikasyon, commitment para matapos ninyo ang kurso na ito. Isang mahalagang paalala lamang sa inyong lahat. Kayo ang may hawak ng inyong kapalaran. Ang gusto ninyong maabot o maaabot ninyo kung inyong gugustuhin. Ang LSP, ang Ateneo School of Government, si Dean Lavinia, ang OPSPES, kami sa Philippine Consulate, kasama ang polo at OWA, ay tulay lamang para maabot ang inyong gustong marating. Magkasalamin na ako. Para makabot sa inyong gustong marating sa pamamagitan ng inyong nag-iunan. At sa okasyon ito, muli ko pinaabot ang inyong gustong pagtulong ng Philippine Consulate sa inyo at sa inyong kabutihan sa hinaharap. Kabalikan ninyo kami sa higit ng aming makakaya. Muling pasalamat sa OPSPES at sa Ateneo School of Government sa pagtatag ng LSP at sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa programa ito. Congratulations at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much to our Honorable Consul General. To continue, may I call on our beloved Dean of the Ateneo School of Government, Dean Lavinia. I will introduce you. Okay. I hope you are all familiar with our beloved Dean, Dr. Antonio Lavinia, a teacher, a thinker, and a lawyer. He is currently the Dean of Ateneo de Manila University School of Government and chairperson of the Ateneo Center for Social Entrepreneurship. He worked in the World Resources Institute in Washington, D.C. for 10 years. Then he studied law in the University of the Philippines, philosophy in Ateneo, and further studies in Yale University in the United States, where he did his master's and doctorate. So big time po ang Dean. But apart from all these big achievements, he was also an OFW, or at least he claims to be, when he worked as a caregiver to the disabled in Udine, which is somewhere in Italy, some time ago. So he has also been here in Italy a long period of time ago, but he can share our experiences of being Filipinos in Italy. And today he's married, his beautiful wife is here, Ms. Lavinia, with 3 children, and he is from Cagayan de Oro.
here and look at where we are now. I mean, all because of Facebook. So if you should friend me in Facebook, so you will know lots of things happening all over the world. But good afternoon to all of you, and I thank you for coming here for this graduation. I will make my acknowledgements